How to customize your desktop wallpaper and themes. Welcome to today's tutorial on how to customize your desktop wallpaper and themes on Windows. Whether you want to personalize your workspace or enhance your desktop aesthetics, I'll guide you through the steps. Right-click on any empty area of your desktop, select Personalize from the context menu that appears in the Personalization window. Go to the Background tab, choose a background option, picture, solid color, or slideshow. If selecting picture or slideshow, browse and select the images you want to use. Navigate to the Themes tab in the Personalization settings. Browse through the pre-installed themes or click to get more themes online to download new ones. Click on a theme to apply it instantly. Explore the colors and sound settings to further customize your desktop experience. Choose accent colors and sound schemes that match your preferences. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save Changes to apply them. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to personalize your desktop wallpaper as it suits your needs. Feel free to experiment with different options to create a desktop setup that reflects your style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.